Hello everybody, welcome to the railway. First of all, apologies for not doing a video in 4 months, but I've literally done nothing with this in 4 months. I don't know what got over me. I've not done anything. Whether I needed a break from it or whatever, I don't know, but I've done nothing in 4 months. It's literally since I did the last video on track cleaning, I've done nothing. So I don't know how it's going to run. The track doesn't look in too bad a nick. It's certainly not rusty or anything. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a bit of a track cleaning first of all with the Class 26 up to my little abrasive car, and I'm going to let that run around a few times around the reverse loops, and do the up and down tracks, and then we'll do the bit in the middle. We'll get these two Fleischmann locomotives and rolling stock out of the way, and basically the two sidings, one here where we've got the I can't remember now, is it Class 150? I've been that long, yeah, Class 150, and the Class 101 over there. Get those out of the way and we'll clean those by hand. Roughly where we're up to, and then after that we'll do another session, and I probably will do a steam. I think we've not done steam for a little while, so I'll probably do steam. So anyway, let's give this 26 a go, see if it'll. Oh, it's away. There it goes. I think you've all seen this a few times, so I won't overly bore you with it, but we'll let it go around the outer track a couple of times. Then, like I say, I'll do the reverse loops, then I'll do the outer track, and then I'll do the two inner sidings, if you will. But anyway, that was all it was, and then we'll do a bit of a running session after. One of my subscribers, John, wanted to know a bit more about the layout, and I'll come across that later on in the video. But basically, it's all made out of set track. There is no flexi track at all on it. It's all set track. Some bits I've had to cut down with Dremels, but we'll go through it all later on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.